How Lithuanian sounds to a non-Lithuanian speaker. Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen. Trumplis flamtek brintuk lampas flimtur brankis flamtar slupat grimtur blomtak flampur klinter blosker flamnis grontis klemtur bromtak flimtur brisker flamtis slampur glompat bromter flimtur klentas gloptis tramtur slamtak brikur flampat klonies. Flemtur bramker grintak trombak slampur flotur bromtak klimtas blonjur frakter klomtur glamtak slompak flemter bronjur grimtas klompar flamnak troptis klamkur blomker trimtas slompar grimtur brimtur frakter krimtis brompar flampat glonter flemtrek. Yes, I know it sounds nothing like the actual language. My channel is called Language Gibberish after all. I'm sure those who completely missed the point will flood the comments with "this is nonsense and your pronunciation is all wrong." All because they didn't get the joke. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.